Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I thought I'd remove those air layers I started a couple of months ago. I was just checking up on the Zingarella here, and although I've been watering it, I don't think I've been keeping up with the watering. So it's pretty dry. So if I remove this, I'll be able to really soak it. I don't know. I thought I was really pouring the water in there, but it's kind of dry in here. See if I can find the bottom of this. Oh, there's one from the side. So look at all the roots in there. No wonder why it was drying out. So I have to give this a good soaking. You can see the one split fig there. There's some more figs. Give that a good soaking. Alright, while that's soaking, let's remove these two Black Madeira here. Let's see the roots in there. They're all hardened off. And there's the roots on this. And I'll give these two a good soaking. And although the figs up here are small, here's the potential. I was going to do an air layer on this little branch here too, but I never got around to it. But look at this fig swelling up here. And you can see the roots where those two containers sat on the top. Alright, so those are the air layers that I started on June 5th. And I have on the left the Zingarella and the two Black Madeira from the same tree. And there's the Zingarella fig on here, but it's split. But it's still producing some good figs here. Let's take a look inside this Zingarella. It's cooler temperatures now though, and we're going to get 2 days of rain. Not good. I brought one of the Black Madeiras in to the lean-to. So this is New England Gardening. Oh, and I'll probably be listing these on eBay. This is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching. They definitely are better nice and warm in the sun.